Welcome to our comprehensive guide on TradingView versus Thinkorswim, where we will explore which platform is better for trading in 2025. Both platforms are popular among traders, but they have distinct features and functionalities. First, let's start with TradingView. TradingView is a cloud-based platform that offers real-time data, technical analysis tools, and a community-driven approach to trading. It provides a wide range of indicators, charts, and alerts, making it an ideal choice for technical traders. TradingView also has a large community of users who share their ideas and insights, which can be a valuable resource for new traders. On the other hand, Thinkorswim is a professional trading platform developed by TD Ameritrade. It offers advanced trading tools, real-time data, and a wide range of trading products, including stocks, options, and futures. Thinkorswim is known for its robust trading platform, which includes features such as strategy backtesting, paper trading, and advanced charting tools. When it comes to user interface, TradingView has a more modern and intuitive design, making it easier to navigate and use. Thinkorswim, on the other hand, has a more complex interface that may require some time to get used to. However, Thinkorswim's interface is highly customizable, which can be a major advantage for advanced traders. In terms of costs, TradingView offers a free version with limited features, as well as several paid plans that range from $15 to $60 per month. Thinkorswim, on the other hand, is free to use for TD Ameritrade account holders, but it requires a minimum deposit of $2,000 to open an account. Ultimately, the choice between TradingView and Thinkorswim depends on your individual trading needs and preferences. If you are a technical trader who values community-driven insights and a user-friendly interface, TradingView may be the better choice. However, if you are a professional trader who requires advanced trading tools and a wide range of trading products, Thinkorswim may be the better option. In conclusion, both TradingView and Thinkorswim are powerful trading platforms that can help you achieve your trading goals. By understanding the key features and functionalities of each platform, you can make an informed decision about which one is best for you. Remember to always do your own research, set clear trading goals, and develop a well-thought-out trading strategy to ensure success in the markets.